Good afternoon, this is Tommy Miers with MarineMax Sailandski, Austin, Texas. Today I want to show you this trade-in 2013 Kawasaki 300X. This is a 4-cylinder, 4-stroke, supercharged, 300 horsepower, 3-seater. Lots of nice features. Comes with a spring-loaded swim step, tow hook so you can pull your favorite water toys, adjustable handlebar, 2-key system. One is your full power key and the other one is your learner key. This machine has been fully gone through and is ready to get out on the lake. We have it priced without the trailer, but we do have new trailers available. Give me a call. Sailandski Center, MarineMax, Austin, Texas. Have a great day. My name is Tommy Miers. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions about this boat or any other models, feel free to call me or ask for any of our sales staff or visit us at any of our locations, Austin, San Antonio, or Lakeway.